guys, welcome to my channel. This is the package. It looks very nice, durable, nothing like a Chinese product. It's firm. Some design award from 2007, Red Dot Award. Everything was in Chinese except some two English paras, some Chinese pamphlet. It's in Chinese too. Here is a watch, a peak, nice package. Here are the dimensions and the features explained in Chinese again. They must be the details of dimensions. Two types of belt we'll be getting. One is the stainless steel and leather. Watch looks nice. Since it's a skeleton design, we can see through it. The glass is made of sapphire crystal, so we don't need to worry about breakage and anything. Watch looks good. So let's see why the only tool is used. How? This is how we will remove the hinge, which is positioned in a particular position in order to fit properly. And by pushing it back, we secure the position and we don't need to do it every time. It's fixed now. Let's see how it fits my hand. Looks nice, but I couldn't capture every detail of this watch in this video. That's why I took some photos and slow motion videos. They are coming up.